Reynolds.
I'm listening, dog. Go home.
Flip top. I'm not drunk, I don't get flunked in class. That's right. I'm not rapping for now. When you listen to me, don't be a hater. But yeah, I'm a basketball player. That's why I can keep on rapping. Because my lyrics just keep on flowing. When I rap, no one can top on. When I see a girl, she's really fine. I want her to be mine. Now we go out and drink some wine.
Wait. This rap is all about me. Know what's going on, man? That ain't about me. I don't really rap for shit. I just dance and sing. But this motherfucking bitch is acting like playing. I don't know.
That's it. This one thinks he's a hype beast, but you know what? He looks like just a little beast. Like, man, he's like a freaking monopoly.
Subtitle.
No. I don't know.
Paano ka lang subtitle?
Please translate it. I really don't know what you're talking about because, you know, I can't. Yeah, I thought those were me, man.
Ito si Reynolds ay isang taong napakagwapo. Ako ay isa niyang kasamang magaling na bowler. Ako ay hindi lasing. Ako ay isa lang rapping. Kasama ko ay kahangat kong matagal ko na hindi nakitang bro. Nakaibigan ako ni na Reynolds.
I don't know. Fuck it, dude. Good shit.
Teka, judge. Yung mga judge.
Judge, ano? Sino panalo?
Sino panalo?
Pero mga si Jeff daw. Lalaban si Jeff.
Paano? Judge ka, judge. Anong comment mo kay Francis?
Mukhang unggoy.
Francis.
Ako mukhang unggoy. Ikaw maliit na mukhang totoy.